Today, I am on a Boston Whaler 17 Montauk, and this is one of my favorite boats. Why? Because I owned one. I loved it so much. I'm going to show you some of the things that I loved. Go ahead and start in the back. So this one's optioned with the max horsepower, the 115 horsepower Mercury. It does have Seastar hydraulic steering. So one of my favorite parts about this boat was this seat back here. So I took my boat out on a maiden voyage. My mom, my stepdad, my wife, and my firstborn child and I were all on the boat. My mom and stepdad sat back here. My wife and I and my daughter sat right there. Got up on plane, cruised around, went to Taylor Lake, looked at all the houses. It was great. When I was trailering the boat and not keeping it in our dry stack next door, I kept my trailer straps down here, so there's storage down here. You know, a funny story, a few times I washed the boat and I forgot to put the drain plug back in. And I remember one time I launched the boat and the dock hands were like, "Hey Billy, there's water coming out of your boat." I was like, it doesn't matter. It's probably just stuff in the bilge. And it kept going and going and going. And I looked down here, my drain plug was out still, but super simple. You just lift this up, put that plug in. It's a plunger. You just twist it and it secures it. Water drained overboard. It's a Whaler anyways. It's not going to sink. So one of my other favorite features is this leaning post right here. While I was underway, I would put it in this position right here, lean on it, have the steering wheel right here, my binnacle right here, get up underway. It's so comfortable. You know, when you're out and say your wife's on board with you, you can put it in this position right here. Super comfortable. Arms reach right here. Put your arm around your girl or your significant other right here and just have a blast. Moving forward, first real quick, so helm, this does have the fishing package, which comes with the compass, the tackle storage over there, the rod holders right up front, which those rods do go vertically right here, and they're clear, just clear of the bimini top. Also comes with the seat right here. So this boat, small package, it's a 17-foot boat, but there's seating for everyone on here. So right here, you can fit one or two other people right here. I can imagine my daughter being right here, my son being on my lap, and just cruising with one of my buddies driving. Super cool. Up front, cushions are nice for when you want to lay out or just relax. Me personally, I took my cushions out and I would fish a lot up here. So huge casting platform. Obviously when the cushions aren't there, it's a nice solid surface to stand on. Plenty of room to cast around. You can cast or throw a cast net off the front of the boat. It's a great all-around boat. Cup holders everywhere, great sound system, Simrad display. It's a perfect fishing boat, perfect trailering boat, perfect dry stack boat. Come by and see the perfect Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. My name's Billy Folks. See you soon.